My name is Mohammed Yunus. I'm from Bangladesh. I started Grameen Bank to solve human problems, and I get very good response, particularly from young people. They see a possibility that they can make an impact in the world. This generation of young people has enormous creative power because of the technology they have. What do we do with that power? Well, how do we use that power? To achieve what? As we move in history, the impossibles become possibles. So why should there be unemployment? Who decided that? Is there something wrong with that person who is unemployed? No, there's nothing wrong with the person. Then who made him or her unemployed, unutilized? So all we do is let the person come up with their own creative power and contribute to the world. List the problems that you see in your community, around your community, in your nation, in the world. And what are the things that you can do? You design it, discuss it among your friends right here. Students who study here are lucky students. There are not many Westmonts all around the world. It's a very special institution. So take advantage of that and be the leaders. Others didn't get this opportunity, you got the opportunity. So it has to make a difference in your life. And that difference will come in a leadership role. And you feel that you are the one who can change the world.